Hey, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something crunchy, creamy, and utterly American for you. That's right, we're talking about coleslaw. But not just any coleslaw, we're delving into some unknown facts about this iconic American side dish. So, grab your forks and let's dive in. Coleslaw origins. Did you know that coleslaw has a rich history that dates back to ancient times? The word coleslaw actually comes from the Dutch term Coleslaw, which means cabbage salad. It was brought to America by Dutch immigrants, and over the years, it evolved into the delicious side dish we all love today. The battle of coleslaw varieties? Coleslaw is a versatile dish, and there's an ongoing debate about which variety reigns supreme. Creamy coleslaw with mayonnaise and vinegar-based coleslaw. Historic coleslaw recipes. Coleslaw has had some interesting variations throughout history. Today, most coleslaw recipes are more traditional, but it's fun to think about the unconventional versions of the past. Coleslaw's influence goes far beyond American borders. In some parts of the world, you'll find variations with unique ingredients. For instance, in Japan, Kuroshishu coleslaw includes ingredients like mayonnaise, sesame seeds, and soy sauce, giving it an East meets West flavor. Health benefits of coleslaw? Coleslaw isn't just about taste. It's also quite healthy. Cabbage, a key ingredient in coleslaw, is packed with nutrients and antioxidants. It's low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy diet. Coleslaw in American cuisine. Coleslaw has become a staple in American cuisine. The refreshing, tangy crunch of coleslaw complements these dishes perfectly. Coleslaw as a condiment? Coleslaw isn't limited to just being a side dish. It adds a delightful contrast in texture and flavor, elevating your favorite summer cookout foods. The Coleslaw Championships. Coleslaw is so beloved in some regions that it even has its own competitions. Yes, you heard it right. There are coleslaw championships where participants create their unique coleslaw recipes to win prizes and recognition. It's a fantastic celebration of creativity and flavor. Coleslaw's historical role. During the American Civil War, coleslaw had a significant role in the diets of soldiers. Cabbage was readily available, and it helped prevent scurvy due to its vitamin C content. Coleslaw was not just a delicious side dish but a vital part of nutrition during that time. Coleslaw's Southern connection. Coleslaw has a strong connection to Southern cuisine, often served alongside dishes like fried chicken and pulled pork. But did you know that the word coleslaw is derived from the Dutch term koolsla? This culinary gem was introduced to the South by Dutch immigrants. Coleslaw in fast food. Coleslaw is a common side dish in fast food chains like KFC. Colonel Sanders, the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken, actually developed his own coleslaw recipe, which remains a closely guarded secret to this day. While the American version of coleslaw is well known, many countries around the world have their own unique takes on coleslaw. For example, in the Caribbean, you'll find a spicy and tangy coleslaw called pick up and kiss up. Coleslaw's role in barbecue. Coleslaw plays a crucial role in the world of barbecue. When added to a pulled pork sandwich, it not only provides a burst of flavor but also helps balance the smoky richness of the meat. Coleslaw's secret ingredient. Want to add a unique twist to your coleslaw? Try including buttermilk in your dressing. It's a secret ingredient that takes coleslaw to the next level. Coleslaw for preservation. Coleslaw wasn't just a delicious side dish in the past. It had practical purposes too. In the 18th century, coleslaw was used as a method of preserving cabbage for extended periods. The combination of vinegar and cabbage helped keep it fresh. Coleslaw's health benefits. Coleslaw is more than just a tasty side dish. Cabbage, a primary ingredient, is known for its cancer-fighting properties and its role in promoting healthy digestion. So, while you're savoring that creamy coleslaw, you're also doing your body some good. Coleslaw has had a resurgence thanks to the food truck revolution. You can find food trucks all over the country serving up delicious coleslaw variations, sometimes even as the star of the show in gourmet coleslaw sandwiches and wraps. Coleslaw and the Great Depression. During the Great Depression, coleslaw was not only an affordable dish but also a way to stretch limited food resources. It provided a sense of fullness and flavor during challenging times, proving that coleslaw is a versatile and enduring comfort food. There you have it, the hidden secrets and unknown facts about American coleslaw. This seemingly simple side dish has a rich history and a world of flavors waiting to be explored. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing your favorite coleslaw memory or recipe. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting culinary journeys. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, folks.